Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Dan Minark here, and today we are making pizza bread. I found this on social media, so here's that right now. So yeah, I decided to kind of replicate that with my bread I got here. I couldn't find like the exact kind of loaf, so I got some Asiago bread. So what I got to do is I preheat the oven for 350, so I'm waiting on that now. But as I'm doing that, I'll get this prepared. So I got the cheese sticks and mozzarella, and also some butter and seasoning. All right, so the first step of this is to don't mind me, some butter on the knife, is to do perpendicular and parallel, or that's the opposite. Parallel and then perpendicular cuts, but don't completely cut it, or you'll ruin the entire thing. So here you see it's got like all of them. That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Let's just get let's get 3 first, just to see kind of a baseline what we're gonna need. Gotta cut them quite slim, because we gotta put them between the slices. You already know how it'd be. Oh, that gave me a lot more with 3. I don't think I'm gonna need 6. So you see these little things like this, so I gotta put these between each and every single one. Each and every single one. Now, not every single one, but just like a bunch, you know? Just get that cheese flavor. Oh, it's starting to not do so well, because not enough space, but we'll just try to oomph it in, you know? Quick oomph. So yeah, we gotta put all the cheese in every single one. You already know, boys and girls and dogs. I really hope I have a big dog audience. That'd actually be really cool. If you have an animal, make them watch my videos and then DM me videos of them watching my videos. That'd be pretty cool. Pretty quirk. Whenever I see the videos, they do it so easily, but it's like, I'm breaking up the bread and stuff. Okay, what do you think? Like 2 more? Probably 1 more, actually. I don't think I need to buy all these cheese sticks. I could have bought quite a smaller amount of cheese sticks.
Hey, Marcel, that's decided not to cut this one because I decided it might be a little easier. Bread. Oh, this part right here's got like no cheese in it. Yeah, it's about 200 degrees, need about 150 more.
Good on that though, because I do need a little more prep time. Because everyone knows, Dan Minark with prep time solos the entire universe. A little nerd joke right there.
Here we go. Some more cheese. About 2 more pieces.
Let's put this one. Put that right there. I did break a couple of the pieces, but no, I didn't actually. I never said that. I never said that. Get some Italian seasoning looking there. Ooh. I gotta do it quick. Oh shit. Well, that part's a little seasony, but it's good. Maybe I didn't have enough butter, but less butter is probably better for the old heart. This is actually doing pretty well, if I do say so myself. And I do. God, I'm such a nerd.
So, seasoning on. Okay, now turn to the mozzarella. Italian people, understand. Just making sure it's not fried without sauce. We used to make with whole milk. I don't know if that's good or bad, but I think that makes it a little more fatty. But usually it's a little more milk. You'll hear that allegedly somebody made a dairy-free milk, and no, not almond milk or any of those kinds. A dairy-free milk that is like exactly the same as milk, minus like the problems of like lactose. And that's some crazy stuff right there. A little tiny bit more cheese, and then just tiny bit more basting. I don't want to waste too much of these, so boop, 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 boop. Okay. And now we wait for the oven to be done.
Boys and girls, the oven. It's done. Pizza, bread, oven, 20 minutes. See you in 20. About 10 minutes in, got myself a little refreshment just to keep me a little less parched. And now we got I'm gonna say we give it 5 minutes less than it asks for because it seems like it's gonna be a little too cooked. So giving it 15 instead of 10, I think at least. So we'll be back. So boys, 5 more minutes came up, so 15 minutes. Let's take a check on the ting. We'll give it about 3 minutes more, maybe. 3 or so minutes later, let's just go ahead and take it out. That hurt. Let's get this out. Well, that looks pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Got the pull-apart pizza bread right here. It looks a little bad, but still pretty good, you know? Okay, boys, let's try this contraption. How do I even grab this? Just grab me a piece. This is banging, bro. On everything. And here the GF. You can try some as well. I want some of that middle piece.
Oh, that's actually good.
It's so good.
Look at that.
Just pulls right apart, and you can see the freaking thing right there, all the seasoning and shit.
Solid 7 out of 10.
I think I'll rank it. Oh, jeez, ow. I think I ranked that an 8. So 7.5 out of 10 is what this is gonna rank. I guess I'm ranking all the TikTok foods. TikTok.
The sides don't really have anything on it.
I'll probably add more though. Okay, this has been your boy Danny Monarch here. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you tag 9 friends. Wait, I gotta do that again. You gotta be in it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Alright, this has been your boy Danny Monarch here. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you tag 9 friends who die. Goodbye.